I just got up. This is my house looks like after Bangalore immense rain and flood. Before saying about this whole thing, I'm really sorry for outside noises because I stay in a market area and it really get insane with the noises. I just arrived yesterday. I was there in my hometown for like 2 months. 1 month was just like I was traveling, exploring Manipur, Arunachal. Next month was mainly spent because I did a surgery. I came home after 2 months and my home is like literally upside down. All the paints on the walls came out. Yesterday around 10:30, 11, I reached my home and I had no energy to clean the house, and today it will be like a really long day. I have to arrange a lot of stuff, do the cleaning. I don't even know where to start because so many things to do. So I thought that it's better I will note down the things, then you can organize and do the things accordingly instead of just because then it messes your head.
So this is what happened post flood, and this is my room right now. The condition is this, and look at my face, the most gross thing. 2 months. It's so gross.
So this is my table, these are my stuff, and this is my bedroom, which I haven't cleaned because I have to remove all the sheets and all. This tiny bathroom. So I live in a very tiny 1 BHK. So this is the kitchen. These are my plants, which I took from my mom's nursery, and she just like literally picked it out because it's so costly here in Bangalore. One plant costs like 300 rupees, 250, something like that. So these are my plants. It will be my plants. I have to plant it. I put it in the water. This is the only plant which survived, and these are the plants. These are my old plants. One is this, and none of them survived. Everything died. So it's like a cleaning vlog. I don't know what it is, what I will call it for now, but it will be like today the whole day will be like massive cleaning, laundry, bed sheets, then cleaning of all the tables and all. So first I have to write it, note it down what I have to do. I think I will start with the bedroom. Bedroom because it's the easiest, I feel. Then change. People are smiling, making plans, hiding behind their shades, and you're doing the same. Bed. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where your heart is fire. But baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. 'Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm at night now. I bet you're cold.
Was it all just a dream, just all in my head? Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest, tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winners know? Tell me and be honest, tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, to let go.
I'm super hungry, like super duper hungry. Now let's find what's there in the kitchen. I have no clue because as far as I remember, I gave all the things away before I left for home, and I ordered from Amazon today. So but anyways, if there is nothing, I can always go down, because parks of, if there are negatives of staying in a market area, there are parks also. Park is that, you know, you can have anything at any time. So there are like lines of shops, Kerala food, local Kannada food.
Young, and we didn't wanna be exposed. Even though it was cold, we were never wearing proper clothes. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, smoking cigarettes behind the school. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, you know.
So bedroom, it's this one done, 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 done. Now this left.
As long as we had each other, oh, everything was black and white. Driving in a car, never knowing how far we go. When we were younger, oh, when we were younger, I remember a girl, I would sneak into her parents' house. I could stay for hours, and we looked into each other's eyes. Hey, I thought I was Romeo, I was looking for my Juliet. And as soon as I left, if you feel lonely, I will be here and wait for the sun. It's getting closer, but it will never let us down. Here by the ocean, fire is burning, flares in the wind. Over the mountains, I see the moon, and so it begins. Looking to the rising sun, this is where we belong, we belong. A new day will soon begin, that's what I've been here for all along. I have no doubt, I know you really want to stay.
And here is the living room. I put some wallpaper on the wall, and this is the candle which I made today. Bought some flowers, put all the plants in their respective pots, put some wallpaper again on the fridge and on the top of the table to create a whole pastely vibe to this room.
Makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you.
And as the evening approached, I put all the lights, and it definitely created a whole evening scene, and I